what a different feeling. Wow, what a different feeling. Wow, this throttle cable feels so light.
Oh yeah. That's the way it should feel.
Oh, yeah, definitely got to get used to the bars.
Oh yeah, I definitely gotta go into a parking lot and do some practice turns. Wow.
Yeah, that front brake is humming at me. And I just started it from a stall. Usually I had to find neutral. I think my lever, my factory lever was worn down. Oh yeah.
These cables feel amazing on the throttle. I don't know why. They feel like they're really like smooth. The clutch, I admit, feels a little on the heavier side. I don't know why. Oh yeah, man, this is bad. Oh my gosh. Wow. There goes my brake again. It's humming at me. I need to get a pin lock. My visor's fogging.
Crack that open a little. You would think that I'd be riding with a saddleman seat on, right? Trying that out. But I'm not. Oh my gosh, that front brake is humming at me. Why is that thing humming at me? We got the fairing back on. Pull a U-turn over here. Nice wide U-turn. Still gotta get used to these bars. You would have thought that I would have checked the brakes, right? But I didn't. I had to get the fairing back on first. Sun's going down. I didn't even eat yet. It's like 6 o'clock. I've been working on the bike and the Jeep all day. I had to change the harness out on the Jeep. One of the headlights, the high beam was on when it wasn't supposed to be. I went to the spot where I bought the headlights and they swapped out the harness because the old harness was actually giving my Jeep a very dim light. So he swapped out the harness and it was bright. It was during the day when we saw it. That was a nice sporty. So on the way home, it was an hour away. By the time I almost got home, I noticed that the high beam was on. And I was like, that's odd. So I swapped harnesses from the left side to the right side and it would shut it off. So I went online and I ordered new harnesses. I mean, that was a quick install. And then I just spent the rest of the afternoon working on the bike. Switch the cables out. Switch the cables out. And yeah. What's up, man? How you doing? I just finished working on it, so I'm going to test it. I changed all this.
Oh, you changed it?
Yeah, I put new bars, new cables, new everything.
Oh, the lines and all that?
Yeah, that was a lot of work.
It's a big engine.
Take it easy, buddy. Keep it up with me, man. He's coming. I love this. There's nothing like having a fairing on there, man. I mean, I like the way it looks without the bar or the bars, but man, adding the fairing makes such a big difference. And the reason why I'm telling you that is because it's cold. It's probably like 40 degrees, 45-ish, tops. I was surprised that little scooter kept up, man. Well, he didn't keep up, but he was scooting right along. That was impressive. Man, did I ever miss this. I just gotta slow down on turns because it is cold. Oh my gosh, that front brake's gonna drive me nuts. I adjusted the bars up a little, I rotated them up forward a little. I had to readjust the mirrors and everything. I feel so much better too. So much better. I'm telling you, nobody, if you guys don't got a fairing, you gotta get one. I mean, unless you're like in 90-degree weather. Feel like in 90-degree weather, then a fairing might be too hot. I know in the summertime I was fine not having a fairing, but this just makes it so much more enjoyable. I mean, don't get me wrong, I still feel wind. Like right now, there's no wind here at all. I'm feeling a little just at my chest, and the top. Oh, red light. And it goes right over my helmet. Actually, it hit the top of my helmet, but no buffeting. Tell you what though, this Harley Davidson helmet doesn't have great visibility. Especially when looking back. Oh, this is totally much better bike, man. Much better. Handles are up. Gotta be careful with my speed here. Hands are up. Windshield's on. Fairing's on. There's nothing like it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So excited. It took me a while to tinker with this, man. I'm not gonna lie. Like, try to get the handlebars, the grips, have the mirrors right, the position of the bars, roll them forward. It feels phenomenal right now. Look at that sunset. It's gonna rain tomorrow. Maybe I can get a picture. Yes. Well, anyways, boys and girls, if you all like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to hit that bell notification for future content. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.